Hey, how you guys doing? This is kind of a steering wheel install. This is the new steering wheel I got. It's from TTD Craft. I'm going to be putting it on, but I got it from TTD Craft. It was about $560. It looks real nice. The material looks real good. Everything looks top notch on it. So yeah, let's get to installing it. All right, first what you're gonna do is there's these 3 holes in here, and you're gonna pop them out, pop out the pins, and I'm about to do that right now. I gotta go get a screwdriver. I'm gonna use a flathead. There's 3 of them. Let's see if we can get a better look. It's hard to see because right here, the little hole right there. So let's try to get a screwdriver and pop them out. There's one. There we go, there's the second one. That's the second one. Also, you want to disconnect the battery. In case I didn't mention that. There we go. Finally got it. Yeah. Took it off, okay? Now, when you get to this part, there's going to be these 3 things. You got the ground, you got these 2 things. You just get a screwdriver and pull it up, and then this clip right here, you're going to have to go and take that apart too. So let's do that right now. So you want to flip up these 2 clips. This is your airbag. I'll flip up these 2 clips real quick.
one. There's two. Then you gotta get the ground.
There we go, got that off. Then this clip right here, this white clip right here, when they take that off, I think a screwdriver should help us. Maybe I need a different size one. Got it, got the airbag off. I'm gonna set that right here. Then you're gonna wanna unplug that right there, this your buttons. Gonna wanna unplug your buttons. And I think it just pulls right out. Then you're gonna get a torque T55 and spin that off. Let's get the wrench. It's going to be on there real tight because they torque it to get it real tight on the steering wheel. So we're going to need to use some muscle here. Also got a breaker bar in case we need that. It's hard to do this yourself. You know, it's easier if you have someone hold it, but I don't have that, so. There we go, we broke it. Got it off. Now we need to transfer the other steering wheel over. So give me a second real quick. What I did was I removed these bolts here, And here, I don't know if you can see it, but right here and right here, to get the backing off. I think it's gonna come off for me. There it goes. Give me a second. Stuck here on the side right here, so I gotta pry it up just a little bit. It's basically held on with clips though. There it goes. Now all I did, got the new steering wheel on, all I did was push it in to the back right here and it clipped right in. I gotta put the 2 screws in and we're almost done. We just gotta put the 2 screws in right here.
The ones I just told you I took out. And then we gotta plug this in and put it all back together. So give me a second.
Okay, now time to put it all back together. We're gonna first do these wires through here. Plug our new steering wheel in. Make sure it's straight. Put our torque on, our torque T55 bolt. That doesn't look straight, so I'm about to reposition it. Thing is, I don't want to take off that airbag again, so I'm just gonna try to get it right the first time. That looks about right. Let's try it. Now you put the blue one on the blue one and the black one on the black one. Put the ground in and put this clip back on. I think we're done. Push that back in, and I think we're good. I think we're done. That's what it looks like. Looking nice, nice and blue, just like my car. Looking nice. All right, let's turn it on. I got the battery plugged back in. Let's see if we did good. I'm gonna take it for a drive now.